Hey everyone. In this video, we will be continuing the previous video. In the previous video, we have understand that what is the difference between animation and transition, and where we should use animation, where we should use transition. If you have not watched the previous video, I can summarize it here as well. So, like as I said in the previous video, transition is used when you want to animate something on user action, like a user, like when once you like what we can say, when your user move his mouse on some element, or when your user click on some element, then you want to animate something, then you will use transition. But when you want to animate without any user action, like once the user click open the website, and you want to animate, you want to play the animation, then you will use animation properties. So uh, let's learn those things. The template of HTML is here. The this line is linking my uh, CSS file, and let's start. Let me open my lab server so that you can uh, see the result. So we will be like first we will give one element called div, and we will start applying this animation properties. So first of all, before adding the any animation properties, let's first make it visual. Give width 100 pixel, height 100, and background red. So it is visual now. See, like I have created the box. Now uh, we will start using the properties one by one. The first properties you need to you should always use while using animation properties is animation name. So this properties you will always use. Otherwise, uh, there's no way you use animation. So this is very important, necessary, you can say. See, here you will give the animation name. I have used box one. You can use anything, your name, your friend name, uh, XYZ, or anything. I have used box one. Now, to add the animation, there is one more, like what we can say, this properties. You will be using to apply the animation. Here at identifier, you need to use the animation name box one. That's why we use animation name here, so that we can add it to keyframe, right? And inside the keyframe there is two properties called from and to. So these are the two properties that we will be using in this animation keyframe. The first part is the initial state that you want to give to your what we can say box, and the final state, final animation will be in this two block. So let's say what we can say in the in at the beginning, I want the background color same red, but in the end I want background color uh, blue. So right now this code is over, but you cannot see anything here. There is no animation playing. That's because this animation is happening very fast. You cannot see that. But if you want to see, you should always use called animation duration. This will give this will be used to give the timing, like how long you want to play the animation. This will be here, right? I have given 4 seconds. Then the animation will uh, be playing for 4 seconds, right? You can add any second, 1 second, 2 second, 5 second, 10 second, anything, but the unit will be second, right? So this is our. Let's learn some uh, more properties. This time I will use another box 2, and the same thing you need to do it here, right? You just need to change the selector name and animation name. You also need to change because you have already used box 1 here, right? So you cannot use it here as well. So as you can see here, if you notice here, animation is playing for only one times. After that, there is no animation. But what I want to achieve is I want to animate it 2 times or 3 times or even 5 times. So to achieve that thing, you will be using animation, what we can say, iteration count. So if you give 2, it will be it will play for 2 times. As you can see here, the first box play for one times, but this was for twice. If you give 5, it will play for 5. If you give infinite, it will be playing for infinite time. It will not stop until you close the website, right? It will not stop. So this is the third properties. The next properties we will use is animation delay. So as you can see, once I open the website, the animation start playing, right? But I want to wait for some time. I want this box to wait for me, like 2 second, 3 second. So you will be using one more property called delay. So it will wait for 2 seconds and then the animation will start. See here, the first is playing, but second was like it was uh, it was not start animating. So you can keep 5 so that you can see it more clearly. You can see this is not now see again, this is not playing. After 5 seconds it start playing. So this is the purpose of this animation delay properties. The next properties we will be using is animation timing function. So these properties, I think I will be not able to make you comprehend. You can like feel it, you can visualize it, then it will be clear to you. So I will be using the same website that we used in the previous. What was that? Yeah, this was the website that we saw in the previous videos for understanding what we transition timing function, and it is also the same. The name is changed, but the function is same. That work is same. So timing function, you can see here, the animation is playing informally, right? Uh, a rate of changing this color is same uniformly across this time, right? During this 4 second, the animation like changing of color, the rate of changing of color is same everywhere. So but what if you want to change, like if you want to make this rate faster at the beginning, slower in the middle, or again faster in the ending, or slower in the beginning, faster in the ending, or faster in the beginning or slower in the ending. These type of things you will be achieving by using this animation time function. You can visualize it here. The by default value of this animation time function is linear. Wait a minute. Uh, Linear. So by default property of this is linear. Let me what you can say, keep it one. But if you want to make it slower in the beginning, faster in the ending, like slower in the ending as well, faster in the middle. So you can play it here, right? Whatever suit for you, you can do. You can play it here. You can then copy and you can paste it here, right? It is not visible clearly, but if you use like moving, if you move this box in the right direction, it will be more clear. Let's see. Let's give position property, like relative left 200 pixel, or in the initial I want 0 pixel, and at the end I want left to be 200 pixel. You can see it is slower in the beginning and it get faster in the uh, ending. You can copy different. Now you can see more clearly. It was slower, then it became faster, and then slower. So these are the thing that you will be using according to your need. You can use this website as well. Like there are also some like pre-built value. Uh, if you want to use, you can also use that like ease. Uh, I cannot like make it or I can not understand you. Uh, this you can feel it, you can play it. These are some inbuilt value. So play with this and you will get this uh, timing animation timing function. The next thing what we want. So let's see. Uh, this time what I want is I want to make a box. I want this box to be uh, in move in the right, then in the bottom, then in the left, then in the initial place, right? So this type of animation, if you want to achieve, uh, you can use position relative. So let's do that also. Box 3. This was box 2. This will be box 3. I will be using the same code, but I will add some more properties. Just change the name and everything will be ready. Okay. See here, if you want to separate this animation by in different phases, like multiple phases, you can also do that. There is one more way to write like this, like in the initial you want to apply some different style in the 50 25%. You want different style in 50, you want different in 75, you want different style, or at the end you want different style. So you can like use as many as you want. You can even use 0%, 10%, 15, whatever you want. You can make it even 100 phase as well. It's on you. So now let's achieve what I said is, first of all, uh, make this box uh, in the right direction. In the starting, I want this. I want the position same, top 0, and 25%. I want it to be moved in the right direction. Top will be again 0, right? Now at 50%, I want left to be again 200 pixel, but top will be 100 pixel. You can see here. Now at 75%, I want left will be 0, because I want it to move it to this left, means left will be 0. And top will be, the box should be 200 pixel from the top. Now at the ending, I want it to be at the beginning, top will be 0. Now you can see the animation. So this type of animation you will achieve by using this animation. If you want it to be one times, you can do that. You want two times, three times, four times, infinite times, you just need to use this iteration count, right? It will not stop. You can see here. You can also add some more properties as well, like background color, pink, or anything that you want, any style that you want, you can add. Let's say background, what I should give, shine, background color, green, or background color, what, let's see this. So now you can see any style that you want to put in between these phases, you can do that, right? So what we have learned is animation name, animation duration, iteration count, delay, timing function. What is left? Uh, what is left? Let's see what we have not covered yet. Animation. Let's go to this website. The keyframe is covered. Animation name done. Duration is also covered. Delay, iteration count. Okay. Animation direction is not covered yet. So let's see. So as you can see, this is going in the forward direction. But if I want it to be in the reverse order, you need to use one more property called animation direction. So we have normal is default, like it will go in the forward, whatever you style that you have given here. In the keyframe, it will be according to that, right? It is going forward, then bottom, then left, then top. If you want to be reverse, you can do that. And see here, it is now in the reverse order. If you, there is one more interesting property is called alternate. See on your screen, it is first moving in forward direction, then in the backward direction, again forward direction. So it is moving in the alternate. Like first it will go in the forward, then in the backward. There is one more, alternate reverse. So it will first start in the reverse order, and it will do the same thing that it was doing in the alternate, right? Just it get reversed first. So I think we have covered all the things. Timing function. There is one more properties called animation fill out. So let's see where we will use that. So if you want your animation to be stopped somewhere, let's say this box is moving like this, but I want this box to be stopped at this point. So to achieve that, we use this animation fill mode property. Let's see. Uh, Animation, how we use that. Okay, animation fill mode. Animation fill mode. Okay, this will not work because this is not working here because of this infinite uh, iteration count. Let's see in the different box. Let's keep it separate. Give some style. What I want, margin of 200 pixel. Okay, it is not working. Okay, okay, let's give the box for margin top. It is not. Let's see what is working or not. No, that means there is something wrong. Okay, leave it. Let's keep it here. And so let's design that. What I want to copy the style. It will be box 4, right? This is because of that name, right? And let's see, let's use this box 4. So as you can see, uh, Let's remove this. Let's remove this also. So as you can see here, this box is moving, and after this, after the animation get over, it get back to the original position. But what you want is, if you want to when the animation get over, you want to uh, you want to keep this box at the ending position. So for that, this animation fill out properties is used. So let's see, animation fill mode forward. See on my screen, you can see once the animation get over, it stop at the ending position. So that's all it is. We have covered the all properties of animation. This property you are seeing here is the shorthand of all these properties. Like if you do not remember all the um, properties individually, you can use this, but we will be using this in the next videos. So that's it. uh, Thank you.